also I would like to show you the chords, the groove that I just did. So basically it's a chord sequence that I learned from a video by Park. I think he's Korean. He's definitely Korean. And there's a E minor jazz funk groove that he did, which is pretty cool. And he just solo over it. But I really like the groove, so I learned the groove and add a little bit of tension to the chords as well. So let me show you. So first chord is E minor. Let me show you all the chords first, okay? Sorry about that. And then F sharp minor 7/5, the C note, B7 sharp 5, and then the D sharp diminished, E minor again. This is F sharp minor 7/5, but with a different voicing. Hammer on to the C, 7, 9, 7, 8, and then B7. And then diminished again. And then you go D on C, which is pretty cool. B minor, but you have to slide into this chord, half step, and then you slide into the E minor chord, E minor 9th chord. You play the G like that with your pinky. Sorry, back then it was an A minor. And then F sharp minor 7/5 on the 2nd fret. So the whole thing very slowly. So on the E minor 9th, I do a groove. Better. All right. Slide into the chord. Slide into the chord. You're gonna grab that A as an extra. A minor 9th. Beautiful. That's it.